In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to use the Google Ads editor to save time when making Google Ads campaigns. And for a lot of the service-based businesses that we're working with, that we make really detailed campaigns for, especially those with a lot of ad groups, we found this to be such a useful way to save a lot of time when making campaigns, especially when making a lot of bulk or copy and paste type changes. And what the Google Ads editor is, it's basically just a free app that you can download on your computer where you can make as many bulk changes as you like, and that's what we typically use it for. But technically, you could also make a campaign in full from start to finish in the Google Ads editor, but I never found it to be necessary for that. But making bulk changes is what, it really can be useful and save a lot of time for. And you can also do these changes offline and then publish these to Google Ads once all the changes are made. And then when you publish all of the changes you made in here in your Google Ads editor, then all of those changes will then just appear automatically inside your Google Ads campaign. So all you have to do is to use it is first of all just Google Ads editor and then download the app on your computer. And then what you likely need to do is sync it to one of your Google Ads accounts. So what you likely have to do here is just press add and then sign in using your particular Gmail account that you have the Google Ads account on. So we're just going to sign into one of our Gmail accounts now on this so we can pull up one of our Google Ads accounts but inside the editor. And then when you're logged into the particular Gmail account that the specific Google Ads account you want to use is on, you can select that particular Google Ads account and press OK and then download all the campaign contents. So that way, then the Google Ads account is literally just going to be downloaded into the Google Ads editor. Now, when you're inside the Google Ads editor, you can still see everything that you typically see inside your Google Ads account. For example, all your campaigns, ad groups, ads, and everything like that. And what's really useful about it is that you can make bulk changes across, multiple campaigns or multiple ad groups in the space of seconds. And I'll just show you what we typically use the Google Ads editor for quite often, just to give you a real life practical example of how you could actually go about using this to save time for your own campaigns. So when you're back inside your Google Ads account, let's just say you went through all the initial steps in the campaign creation process and you now have a Google Ads campaign that you've made, but you have to make a ton of ad groups for that campaign. Let's just say you have to make 20 or 30 ad groups. Then what you can do is simply just make the initial ad group, and within that ad group then you can also make the initial ad. But what you can do, for example, is just put an X where you'd likely have your keyword focus. So the idea here is that you can make one initial ad and then duplicate it for all of your ad groups, and then you can change around where it says X here for all of the different keyword focus depending on the keywords of that ad group. So the idea here is that instead of having to take your ad group, press edit, copy, and then paste and duplicate that, 20 or 30 times, you can instead take this ad group and paste it however many times you want. Let's just say you have 20 ad groups. We'll show you how to do that now inside the Google Ads editor. So inside the Google Ads editor, let's just say you have an ad group when you're making a new campaign and you want to make 20 ad groups out of that. The first thing you always want to do actually as well is just get the recent changes, so more data. So that way then everything that's exactly how it is right now inside Google Ads will also be exactly how it is here inside the Google Ads editor. And what we can do now to make all those ad groups in one go is simply go to campaigns and then choose the campaign that we're working on. So this is just a test campaign for the video. And then we have this ad group here that we made inside Google Ads. So let's just say we want to have 20 ad groups. Then all we'd have to do is right click on the ad group, press copy, and then you can just press anywhere on the screen and just press Control V to literally just paste however many times you like. You can see here on the left hand side that we have 20 ad groups now. And just like that, we're able to make 20 ad groups instantly without having to, wait in between Google Ads copying and pasting each one, which can take, at least 1 or 2 minutes for every individual ad group. Whereas this way you can paste all these ad groups in a matter of seconds. Now, one thing you do need to do though before actually posting this to Google Ads is renaming each of the ad groups, because it doesn't let you have the exact same name for all of your ad groups. So instead of writing in a separate name for each of these, we're just going to name these numbers just to show you what this process looks like a lot quicker. So we're just going to finish numbering these from 1 to 20 just so we're actually going to be able to post these inside Google Ads and show you what that looks like, just to show, how much quicker it is to do it this way than to do all these manually copying and pasting individually inside Google Ads. So now that we've actually renamed all of our ad groups, we're simply able to paste all of these inside Google Ads now. So on the top right hand corner, when you've done all the changes you want made inside Google Ads editor, all you have to do is press post and then post again. And within a few seconds, then this is going to automatically finish posting to Google Ads. So then we can go back to Google Ads itself and see that we have one ad group here now. And now just like that, we have 19 ad groups that all have an ad within each. And if you made your initial ad at the beginning, all you have to do is change around the keyword focus of each one after entering your keywords into each ad group. And this obviously isn't the only thing that you can use the Google Ads editor for. You can also, for example, if you have these 19 ad groups and you're running the campaign for a while, but you also want to add another ad to every one of these ad groups, instead of having to go into Google Ads and adding a new ad to each ad group, for example, and technically, yes, you could just make the one ad inside Google Ads and then paste it into the other ad groups, but you can also do that even easier here as well by simply just making one ad and pasting it into as many ad groups that you like at once. And overall, there are just a ton of other features you can use in here to save a lot of time when making Google Ads campaigns. And in general, what you want to use the Google Ads editor for is more structural builds and not so much your micro optimizations. You can still do all of your optimizations inside Google Ads itself. It's probably easier to do that in here. But when you're making Google Ads campaigns and you're doing a lot of bulk edits, that's when the Google Ads editor is really going to save you a lot of time. And while there are some really advanced features inside here as well that you can also play around with, the main thing we really like to use the Google Ads editor for is things that you'd have to do inside your Google Ads campaign anyway. That's simply just a lot faster inside here. But if you are trying to build a Google Ads campaign or optimize an existing campaign and would like a free checklist that covers everything you need to remember when setting up and managing your Google Ads campaign from start to finish, I'll leave a link for this checklist down below. And if you are a service-based business that's just looking to have everything done and implemented for you, I'll also leave a link for that down below inside the description. And if there are any other particular aspects in setting up or managing a Google Ads campaign that you would like further clarification on, feel free to leave a comment down below, or also feel free to have a look at one of the videos that you'll see inside a playlist that should appear alongside the screen now. That contains all of the individual steps in setting up and running Google Ads campaign from start to finish.